IELTS Speaking Part 2. How to Ace the Memorable Journey Cue Card. Ever feel your mind go blank when you get a cue card in the IELTS speaking test? Let's nail a perfect Part 2 answer today so you can walk in confident and ready. All right, let's dive into today's cue card. It's a classic IELTS Part 2 topic. It says, describe a memorable journey you have taken. You should say where you went, how you traveled, what you did there, and explain why this journey was memorable. Now listen to my full sample answer. Okay, I'm going to give you a full, fluent answer, just like I'm sitting in the IELTS test room. Here we go. When I think about a memorable journey, one trip immediately comes to mind. My road trip to the Grand Canyon a couple of years ago. It was a spontaneous adventure with my best friend, and we decided to drive from Los Angeles, which is about a 7-hour trip each way. We traveled in my old but trusty SUV, with the windows down, blasting our favorite music the whole way. The drive itself was half the fun, winding through desert roads, passing quirky little gas stations, and stopping for burgers at a diner that looked straight out of a movie. When we finally reached the Grand Canyon, I was blown away by the view. It's this massive, colorful chasm that stretches forever, with layers of red and orange rock glowing under the sun. While we were there, we hiked a trail called Bright Angel, which was tough, but so rewarding. We also watched the sunrise from a viewpoint called Mather Point, and I'll never forget how quiet and peaceful it felt. We even joined a guided tour to learn about the canyon's history, which was super interesting. This journey was memorable for a few reasons. First, it was my first time seeing something so grand in nature. It made me feel small but inspired. Second, sharing it with my friend made it even better. We still laugh about getting lost on a side road for an hour. That trip reminded me how much I love exploring new places, and it's a memory I'll always treasure. Now let's break it down together. All right, that was my sample answer. Pretty natural, right? Now let's break it down so you can see why it works and how you can make your answers just as strong. Let's start with the vocabulary and phrases I used. The word spontaneous means something unplanned and exciting, like deciding to go on a trip at the last minute. Another good one was blown away. It's a casual way to say I was amazed. Now let's talk about linking phrases for fluency. I used phrases like when I think about introducing the topic smoothly, and first and second to organize my reasons clearly. These make your answer easy to follow. Next up, grammar structures. I mixed past simple, like we decided and I was, with some past continuous, like winding through desert roads, to show actions in progress. This variety shows off your grammar range. For fluency and pronunciation tips, try pausing slightly after key points, like I did after blown away by the view. Also, stress words like massive or colorful to show emotion. Practice saying Grand Canyon clearly. Break it into grand and canyon to avoid mumbling. Quick reminder before we keep going. Hey, if you want to ace your IELTS speaking test, practice is everything. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you don't miss our next episode. Trust me, you don't want to be the only one not ready for that cue card. Here are a few other ways you can answer. Let's mix it up with some alternative phrases so you can make this answer your own. Instead of saying it was memorable, you could say it's something I'll never forget or it really stuck with me. If you want to describe the place, instead of massive and colorful, try absolutely stunning or breathtakingly vast. For talking about feelings, you could swap I was blown away with I was totally in awe or it took my breath away. When explaining why it was special, instead of it made me feel inspired, you might say it gave me a new perspective or it recharged my energy. Pick phrases that feel natural to you. All right, ready for the next one? Here's another option for describing travel. Instead of we drove, you could say we took a scenic road trip or we cruised along in my car. These add a bit of flair. Now it's your turn to try. Okay, it's time to get active. Pause the video and try answering this cue card out loud. Describe a memorable journey you have taken. Where did you go? How did you travel? What did you do? Why was it memorable? If you're feeling brave, drop your answer in the comments below. I'll check a few and give you some feedback to level up your speaking. Pause now and speak for 2 minutes. Let's wrap up with a quick reminder. You've got this. Every time you practice, you're one step closer to sounding natural and confident in your IELTS test. Come back for our next episode, where we'll tackle a Part 3 discussion question about travel and culture. Keep practicing, and I'll see you soon.